Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at what could be the best couple matching watches his and hers. The OLEVS his and her watch set. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift that effortlessly blends style, functionality, and symbolism, this might just be the perfect choice for you and your significant other. Right out of the box, the presentation speaks volumes. The pair comes in a neatly packed box that reflects elegance and class. You're immediately struck by the harmony between the two watches. While one is slightly larger to suit a man's wrist and the other more delicate for a woman's, both timepieces maintain a unified design theme, symbolizing perfect harmony between two individuals. Crafted with stainless steel, both watches exude durability and sophistication. The polished metal finish gives them a sleek, modern appearance while still being versatile enough to pair with formal or casual wear. The silver and gold tones enhance the luxurious feel, giving you a premium look without a premium price tag. Functionally, these watches are powered by reliable quartz movement, which means you'll get precise timekeeping without the need for winding. They also include a date display that's easy to read, enhancing practicality in everyday use. The design doesn't just stop at elegance. These watches are waterproof, so whether it's a light rain or an accidental splash, you're covered. They're not meant for deep diving or long soaks in the bath, but for everyday water exposure, they hold up just fine. Another thoughtful feature is the luminous hands and hour markers. In low light conditions, they glow gently, making the time visible without being too bright or distracting. It's a subtle yet incredibly useful detail, especially for those who travel or work night shifts. The build quality is solid, and the weight of each watch feels reassuring without being too heavy. The clasp is secure, and the strap adjusts easily to different wrist sizes, providing comfort throughout the day. The glass is scratch-resistant to a good extent, maintaining the aesthetic over time. But what truly sets the OLEVS couple watch set apart is the emotion it carries. These are not just watches, they're a shared symbol of unity. Wearing them feels like wearing a daily reminder of your bond with your partner. Whether it's for anniversaries, birthdays, or just a spontaneous romantic gesture, this set is a meaningful and stylish gift. From a price-to-value perspective, OLEVS delivers a compelling offer. You get a pair of beautifully designed, functional, and durable watches at a cost that's hard to beat. It's an accessible luxury and a charming representation of togetherness. To sum it up, the OLEVS his and her watch set offers the perfect mix of aesthetics, reliability, and romance. If you're looking for the best couple matching watches that truly speak the language of love, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product breakdowns just like this. Until next time, keep your style synced and your hearts ticking in time.